Good morning. So guys, we are in Orlando, Florida for the Thanksgiving break. Today is Wednesday, I believe November 25th. And we're staying at the Westgate Hotel, Westgate Resort. And I will give you guys a room tour very quickly here in a second. While we're here, we'll be going to SeaWorld. That's DJ's favorite park. We're going to Discovery Cove, which I'm super excited because I've been trying to go there for like 3 years. So make sure you check out that vlog on Discovery Cove. We'll also have a vlog on SeaWorld. And then we may go to Aquatica. I'm not sure if we'll be up to it. It's included with the tickets we got, but I'm not sure if we'll go. I don't know. Like, I don't know if I want to do 2 water parks, you know? So we're staying at the Westgate Resort. It looks like it's a huge property. We are in building 4,000 right here, and this is right where the water park is. And if you look, you see all the little circles here. All the little circles are pools that are open right now during Corona. They do have additional pools, but these pools are not open at the moment. They gave us a map of the property, and here you'll see all the amenities. They have a dog park here. My sister would love that. Of course, they have a pool bar, soccer, tennis court, volleyball, theme park, shuttle pickup. It's a lot of different things you'll see right here. Then we have the town hall. They have a movie theater. And then you see at the pavilion, they have all of these things here. They have an ice cream shop. DJ and Dewana like that. And they also serve Starbucks. So a lot of you guys love Starbucks. But yeah, this is a map of the property. So let me see. On the back, it's just advertising Disney, Universal. No, they always do that. This page shows you, let's see, this is about what they're doing differently for COVID. This is more health and safety stuff. The TV channel. And I love Orlando. I'm not sure what this is, but I'm sure you can scan these and look at it. They have a traditional Thanksgiving dinner that'll be from 2 to 10 the day of Thanksgiving. And these are the things that you'll get with your plate for $26, and then children under 12 or 13. They also are serving a 4-course menu for $40, and this is November 26th to the 28th from 4 to 10 p.m. And these are all the things that you get here. And then, and then you can also do a Thanksgiving delivery. So this might be something you want to do. It's $95, and then you get a whole turkey. We don't need a whole turkey. But it looks like it's everything from the same one, and they have additional sides that you can order. So that's cool. And the last thing they gave us was this little booklet, Westgate Resorts. And then it just has your Wi-Fi, your keys, and then some different advertisements for menus and things like that. So far, so good. So now I'll go ahead and take you guys on a room tour. So as you know, my room tours are always lived in. We've already been here. We've already spent the night. So, you know, don't come for me. As soon as you come in the door, this is the view that you have here. And this is the kitchen. You have a toaster, a kettle, all your normal amenities that you would want staying here. Trash can. And then you have all of your cleaning supplies down here. And I'm assuming the dishes are in. Oh, wait. Okay, so there are dishes somewhere. There's a can opener and a peeler. This can opener looks a little rusty, but I guess it don't matter as long as it open the cans, right? You got a coffee pot. Okay, here we go. Cups. I'm assuming the plates are over here. Okay, so plates and bowls. Oh, they even have a Pyrex dish, so that's good. Still looking for, okay, there they are, pots and pans. Okay, then we have a table that seats 6 people, but you can literally put some more chairs. You can literally put some more chairs to seat more people, and additional seating right here. There is a closet here. Closet, which that broom is knocked over. That's DJ stuff there. And here's the living room. DJ is on the pull-out sofa, as you can see, but it's definitely a lot of room here. You have enough room to walk around him to get to the patio. We'll come to the patio in a minute. So this way takes you to the bathroom. Double sinks in the bathroom. They have pool towels below. Here is the shower. Also has like a little area there. Oh, it's a mirror in the shower also. It doesn't have a detachable shower. I prefer to have a detachable shower. And where's the light? Here. Where's the light? Okay, this is the bathroom, which is adequate. It's big, actually, so that's good. They also gave us these. This is for dishes and to wash your hands. It's a lot of mirrors in here. So now I'm coming back out and going back through the living room, and here is our room that is lived in. Okay, so we have a sitting chair over in the corner, and there's charging on each side of the bed. Here's the bed, and there's a huge mirror here. We have a desk and another sitting area right here. Charging port. On this side, we have a beautiful bathtub slash jacuzzi. And again, it's more charging on this side. This is my side, of course. Oh, what's this right here? Oh, this must be where you can sit. DJ wants to get in here, so we'll have to get some Clorox and some cleaning supplies before we can get in there. Here's another mirror, which I'm loving, for the closet. Another closet. Blanket, an additional blanket. I guess this is for our room because DJ has one for his. And then there's a sliding door here that you can lock for the bathroom, because it's only one bathroom, so everybody needs to be able to get here. So this is for the bedroom. This is for the bedroom. You can lock it here. Now out to the patio. It's a very it's a very large patio. Oh, Jesus. It's locked, isn't it? Why DeJuan rigged the patio? Like, who does he think is gonna come here and go through the patio to get to us? He put the pole from the mop here so no one can open the door. So I'm gonna have to get this out, y'all. Okay, let me try this again. So we have a water park view. So this is a piece of the water park here. This is the kiddie water park. I would have liked to be higher, because if you look up there, Up there, that's the other part of the water park where we can't see from here. But this is a nice size patio. It's a lounger right here. And a table. And then this is to our room. I'm sure it's locked and rigged. Yeah. It's locked and rigged, so I can't get in to show you. People are getting ready for the water park. They're about to pay, because you actually have to pay. So it's $20 to get in the water park, and then it's $15 for military. And if you're a Westgate owner, it's $13. Here's the smaller part of the water park. And again, the big water park, the other part of the water park is up the stairs, where that lady is walking up the stairs now. This concludes the room tour. Again, we will also have vlogs for our whole vacation, especially Discovery Cove and SeaWorld. So make sure you check those out. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.